Oh, and they've done 4. There we go. Formation loop. Now Mark is now going to turn the loop to the left and probably tighten the turn to about 5 G in every cockpit as the blades are going to head out into sea. Now I'd just like to let you know folks, it's extremely windy out there. You can see the smoke trailing out the aircraft. It's been blowing all over the place. So the guys are working very hard at that. Spitfire roll.
Hold on.
Now we're going to do something very, very different. Blade 4 is going to be at the back. He's going to be upside down on top of the blades. Everyone else is going to put in a boot full of rudder. This Dawlish is simply called Crazy. They can only imagine what it must be like to be upside down. Tumble. Now what you need to do is look high at the sky where the boat can see and watch out blade 2. They're going to fix on one another for the blades 1v1 split. And that was my Airshow send their course blade line and head towards each other. Now the guy on the right's going to have to hold it up there a little bit more because he's... And just a minute, it's not a fluke folks. Now boys and girls, and flick back down to Dawlish. Now here's blade 4 back for some more solo flying. This is the blade palm tree splits. Give them a cheer. Now one more time for us, that wasn't loud enough, let's give them a cheer. The 2012
Get it across. Leave it up.
The team is led by Red One's called it a Jim Turner, who's now called them into the left-hand bend. One big arrow in that left-hand bend towards it.
Heading it out. Hold it out. 4 and 5. Roll.
You can see Reds 4 and 5 rolling back there to reform their 7-arrow position.
Right. Now.
This is the shuffle roll. As our memorial to those personnel from Bomber Command. One of our first year pilots, Flight Lieutenant James McMillan, or Reed. He was born in the UK. Reds 4 and 5 roll back to form another big formation, Eagle. For the detonator. Well, the synchro pair remain with us now. Red 6 on our left and red 7. The inside pilots perform tight match barrel rolls to the outside of the formation as they fly the rollbacks. Call the vortex. Reds 1, 4, 5 have eased up with colour to fly the Revolution. We saw there Enid flying synchronised aileron roll manoeuvres. Here's the vortex. The opposition barrel roll. Red 1 smoke changes to red as he pitches up and around with the rest of the formation to draw the symbol for infinity. For the final manoeuvre of the display, ladies and gentlemen, this is the infinity break. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2012